Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 22nd, 2024, and we've got a fascinating lineup of stories from the world of Apple and beyond. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with a piece of history going under the hammer. An Apple I computer, once owned by the legendary Steve Jobs, is set to be auctioned at Christie's, New York on September 12th, 2024. This isn't just any old computer, it's a piece of tech history. The Apple I, crafted in 1976, was the first computer made by Apple, and only about 70 of these original motherboards are still around today. The auction is part of the Paul G. Allen collection, known for its remarkable technological artifacts. With proceeds going to charity, this sale is not only a nod to the past, but also a step towards a better future. Experts predict this could be a landmark sale, especially with Apple's 50th anniversary just around the corner in 2026. Shifting gears, let's talk about the electric vehicle market, where Chinese tech giants like Baidu, Huawei, and Xiaomi are making waves. These companies are stepping up with innovations that Apple has yet to match in the automotive sector. Take the Jidu Robocar 07, for example. It's packed with advanced autonomous driving features and a voice-controlled entertainment system, all wrapped in a sporty design. With a range of 900 kilometers on a single charge, it's set to hit the market in September 2024 at a competitive price. This highlights a broader trend where technology and automotive industries are increasingly intertwined, and it seems the future of driving might be shaped more by these Chinese innovators than by traditional car manufacturers or even Apple. In the realm of app distribution, big changes are afoot at Apple. Matt Fisher, the head of the App Store since 2010, is leaving the company as part of a major reorganization. Apple is splitting the App Store division into two teams, one focusing on the App Store itself and the other on alternative app distribution. This move comes amid growing regulatory scrutiny over Apple's market dominance. The restructuring aims to address these concerns and adapt to the evolving landscape of app distribution. With Fisher's departure, Apple is signaling a new direction for its app strategy, which has been a significant revenue driver for the company. On a more inclusive note, Apple has opened applications for its Entrepreneur Camp, designed to support underrepresented founders and developers. This initiative offers one-on-one guidance, access to Apple engineers, and a chance to join a global network of alumni. The camp will return to in-person sessions at Apple's Cupertino campus, with an online option available as well. Applications are open until September 3rd, 2024, and Apple is encouraging all women to apply, emphasizing its commitment to inclusivity and diversity in the tech industry. Switching to the gaming world, Netflix is expanding its game catalog with the upcoming release of Monument Valley 3. This move is part of Netflix's strategy to offer games accessible through a Netflix login, contrasting with Apple Arcade, which has faced criticism from developers over its monetization model. Netflix's approach seems to be more supportive, attracting developers looking for healthier partnerships. As Netflix continues to grow its gaming portfolio, it could reshape the landscape for mobile game developers, offering a potential warning to Apple about the pitfalls of their current gaming initiative. Finally, let's explore the world with TrippleTake, a new audio guide app for iPhone users. This app allows you to discover landmarks and art by simply snapping a photo or uploading an image. It provides instant recognition and delivers engaging stories and descriptions, perfect for curious minds. Recent updates have improved subtitle display and user interaction, making it an even more compelling tool for learning about art and history. TrippleTake is free to download, with in-app purchases available for unlimited access, offering a unique way to appreciate the world around us. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories as intriguing as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more updates from the world of Apple and technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.